1. Put on your bra. You should choose a bra with some padding. This conceals the extra padding you add. It's advisable to also wear your top while you stuff so that you can make adjustments accordingly. Depending on how large you want to go, you may need to use a bra that is 2 to 3 cup sizes larger than you usually wear. 2. Push your breasts up in the cups. Put your hand into the bra and gently cup your breast tissue, moving each breast up and towards the center. This creates the cleavage that your socks are going to hold up. 3. Choose your socks. The sock thickness and size depends on how much you want to increase the appearance of your breasts. Use thick socks for maximum boost. This is great for parties or for dramatic cleavage. For a subtle boost, try using thin hosiery socks. This may be preferable for everyday use, formal occasions or slinky dresses that require just a bit more bust. Whatever thickness you choose, try to use soft socks to avoid chafing. 4. Fold your socks. Again, how you fold may depend on the type of sock. A good rule of thumb is that the sock should be folded in on itself once. Fold the sock in half with the heel at the center. Tuck the toes into the top of the sock enough so that the fold is the right size to fit into the bottom of your bra cup. Adjust the fold so that it's flat. 5. Insert one folded sock into each bra cup. The sock should nest in the bottom of the cup, where the bra already has padding. The heel should go into the lower corner towards your armpit. 6. Check yourself in the mirror. Make sure that both sides are even. Adjust the position of the socks if necessary. Check out the link description below.